Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start exercise 1.3 of real numbers, right? So already I explained real numbers are two types, rational number and irrational number. In this exercise we learn how we can prove root 2, root 3, root 5 are irrational. So here concept no need to explain, already I explained in video 1. So first question is prove that root 5 is irrational, right? So if we want to prove root 5 is irrational, here we'll bring contradictions, and through contradiction we'll prove root 5 is irrational number. So first we'll consider, let root 5 is rational. That means we are considering root 5 is rational, right? If we'll consider root 5 is rational, then what will happen? Root 5 can be expressed as p by q form, because definition of rational number, where pq are integers, q not equals to 0 and pq are co-prime, right? Understood? Now squaring both sides. If we square both sides, then root 5 whole square equals to p by q whole square. Root 5 square equals to 5 equals to p by q whole square equals to p square by q square. Cross multiply, then we get p square equals to 5q square. Now if p square equals to 5q square, it means 5 is a factor of p square. It is clear, because p square equals to 5 into some number. So here we can say 5 is a factor of p square. Now p square is a perfect square number, right? We know that in case of perfect square number, always we are getting factor pairwise. So 5 we can say also a factor of p. If 5 is a factor of p, then we can write p as 5 into some number considered as m. So p equals to 5m, where m is some integer, right? Okay. Now this step we will consider p square equals to 5q square. Any one you can consider, but it is better consider p square equals to 5q square. If p square equals to 5q square, then we can write 5q square equals to p square. Now value of p we have considered here 5m. Put the value of p, that is 5m, then we'll get 5q square equals to 25m square. So q square equals to 5m square, because if we bring this 5 this side, right side, then 5 will come in denominator, then 5 die 25, 5 will be cancelled. Now q square equals to 5m square we got. It means 5 is a factor of q square, because 5 in multiplication, so we can say that 5 is factor of q square. Again q square is a perfect square number, so we can say 5 is also a factor of q. Now here we have proved 5 is a factor of p, right? And here already we have proved 5 is also a factor of q. It means 5 is common factor between p and q, which is not possible. Why? See the definition of real numbers. So in case of real number, can be expressed as p by q, where pq are integers, right? Q not equals to 0 and pq are co-prime. Co-prime means there is no common factor between p and q. Understood? Co-prime. This word, if you don't know, once again try to understand this word, meaning of this word. It means there is no common factor between p and q. But here we are saying 5 is a common factor between p and q, which is not possible, because p and q are co-prime. It means whatever we suppose That is wrong. Our supposition is wrong. If our supposition is wrong, opposite of rational will be what? Irrational number. So we can say that root 5 is irrational number. Understood everyone? If question sheet prove that root 2 is irrational number or root 3 is irrational number, then what will happen? What you will do? This is the question number 1. If question sheet prove that root 2 is irrational, then what you will do for root 2? In place of 5, just write 2. Here 2. Here also 2. Here remove it, put 2. Here we'll get 2. That means 2 is a factor of p square. 2 is also a factor of p. Then p can be taken as 2m, right? Then p equals to, remove that 5, put 2. Here you can write 2. Here you can write 2 and here 2. Just remove 5 and write 2. We'll get proof of root 2. So here it is 4. Then we'll get here 2. Then 2 is a factor of q square. 2 is also a factor of q. Then 2 is common factor between p and q, which is not possible because pq are co-prime. Therefore our supposition is wrong. So we can write root 2 is irrational. Similarly, question sheet prove that root 3 is irrational. Then in similar way we can write, it means out of root 2, root 3 and root 5, anyone if you learn, then anyone you can write. And if you observe 10 years questions paper, almost 80 to 90% times these questions came in board examinations, right? Now next question is question number 2. I hope you understood question number 1. So I am rubbing this. Now I am explaining question number 2. Here 2 types of questions are given. One is root 2, root 3, root 5 are irrational, and second type is question number 2 type questions. So question number 2, I'll show you how we can prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. This is answer number 2. Here also we'll consider 3 plus 2 root 5 be rational, right? We have to prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational, but its opposite we'll consider. That means we'll consider this as rational and we'll make contradiction. If our supposition is wrong, then we'll get answer. So if we consider 3 plus 2 root 5 as rational, then 3 plus 2 root 5 can be written as p by q, because this is the definition of rational number, where p, q are integers. Q not equals to 0 and PQ are co-prime. Co-prime must you have to write. These three condition will be satisfied. If it is rational number, then its form will be p by q, where pq are integers, p and q both will be integer. Integer means like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. All the numbers are integers. Q should not be 0. If q equals to 0, then it will be not defined number. So q not equals to 0. And pq are co-prime. That means there is no common factor between p and q. Already we have proved root 2, root 3 and root 5 are irrational. So irrational part we will keep in left hand side all rational part will bring in right hand side. So see here. Here 2 term, 3 is rational, so bring in right hand side. 2 root 5. If we will bring this 3 this side, then it will be p by q minus 3. Now subtraction of these two first will complete. 2 root 5. Now LCM of q and denominator of 3 is 1. LCM of q and 1 is q. If we want to subtract these two terms, then we have to take LCM. Q divided by q is 1. 1 into p is p. Right? Minus. Denominator of 3 is 1. So this q will be multiplied with 3. So it is 3q. Be careful here. Most of the students are making mistake. They are writing just 3p minus 3 by q. That is not correct. Okay. Now see. Only root 5 will be in left hand side. Other all rational number will bring in right hand side. Now 2 is rational number and 2 in multiplication. If we bring 2 this side, then 2 will come in denominator. Right? So root 5. Bring this to right hand side. So it is p minus 3q. Bring in denominator. This is 2q. Now we can observe left hand side is irrational, but right hand side is rational. Why? P is rational, integer. 3q also integer. Subtraction of 2 integer is also integer. So numerator is integer and 2q also integer. So this is p by q form. Any number in p by q form is rational number. So left hand side we are getting irrational. And right hand side we are getting rational. Now rational and irrational, both type of numbers should not be equal because these two are totally disjoint. Right? Any rational number we can't say as rational. So it is not possible. Irrational equals to rational. So here we can write which is not possible. Therefore, our supposition is what? Wrong. We suppose here it is rational. So here we prove our supposition is wrong. If our supposition wrong, then this is not rational number. Opposite of rational number will be irrational numbers. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. These two type of questions we have to practice in this exercise. Question number 3 you will try. If any problem you will face, then you can clear your doubt through WhatsApp. Thank you.